Instead of buying expensive aquarium filter, I decide to make my own using a recycled plastic bottle. For this project, I'm only using a small Coke bottle, air tube, air pump, filter plus, small stones, and a soldering iron. First, I make a small holes around the bottle so dirty water can enter the filter. Then, I add the small stones inside so the bottle stays underwater and doesn't float. After that, I place the filter floss inside to help trap dirt and keep the water cleaner. Next, I connect the air tube and attach it to the air pump. When the air pump starts, it pulls dirty water through the bottle and filters it. This is actually a great budget option if you have multiple tanks or you are planning to start a small aquarium farm. Cheap, simple, and made from recycled materials. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.